This time on building terminology, Cofferdam. The cofferdam is a structure which is usually temporary, built to support the surrounding ground or to exclude water or soil sufficiently to permit work within it to proceed safely without excessive pumping. So a cofferdam is not watertight, it just slows down the water and allows a reasonable amount of pumps to keep up and pump out the water. So it can be used when you're building next to a river or in extremely unstable soil conditions, or if you're working below the water table. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.